Dear students, welcome to Khan Kingdom online classes. Our new chapter is chapter number 4, simple equation. First of all, what is equation? If we write down x plus 4, if we write down x plus 4, this called only a expression. If we write down x plus 4 equal 10, if we write down x plus 4 equal to 10, then this called an equation. Using equal sign. If we cannot use the equal sign, then this called only a expression. In a equation, this is called LHS, means left hand side, and this value called RHS, right hand side, and the x called variable. Variables are x, y, z, w, t, and so on. These are the variables. Now let's take beginning from this. What is the equation? If we note down x plus 4, only x plus 4, then this is called a expression. If we write down x plus 4 is equal to 10 using equal sign, then this called a equation. This part called LHS means left hand side, and this part called RHS means right hand side. The x, y, z we are using here called variables. Variables are x, y, z, w, t, u, v, etc., etc. These are the variables. Now next is forming an equation. Forming an equation. For example, if sum of x and 4 is the sum of x and 4 is 10. Write down the equation. This is our question. The sum of x and 4 is 10. Write down the equation. There are two numbers x and 4. We have to sum means addition. X and 4 sum means addition. Is used to equal. Is used to the equal sign, then 10. The sum of x and 4 is equal to 10. The sum of x and 4 is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. This is our equation. Another one, the difference of y and 3 is 7. Difference means subtraction. Subtraction of y and 3. Y and 3 operation is subtraction. Is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. This is example for sum, this is example for difference. Now I am taking example of product. The product of x and 3 is 14, 15. The product means multiplication. The multiplication of x and 3 into x, 3x is equal to 15, means 3x is equal to 15. Now example for divide. Half of x is 4. Half of x is 4. Here is a word of. Of means multiplication. Half means 1 by 2. Of means multiplication. X is means is equal 4. Half of means multiplication, then x is equal to 4, means x by 2 is equal to 4. This is our equation. Let's take beginning from this topic, forming an equation. For example, written as the sum of x and 4 is 10. Write down the equation. Sum means addition of x and 4. The addition of x and 4 is here is 4 is equal to 10. Addition of x and 4 is equal to 10. The difference of y and 3 is equal to 7. Difference means subtraction. Y and 3, y minus 3 is equal to then 7. Now next example is the product of x and 3 is 15. So product means multiplication. 3 into x is equal to 15, 3 into x is 3x. Now next is divide operation. For example, half of x is 4. Half of means multiplication, so we will use here multiplication. Half means 1 by 2, of means multiplication, and x here is x by 2. X by 2 is equal to 4. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic. We have already read what is equation, forming an equation. Now putting the value in equation. Now next is putting the value in equation. Check x is equal to 2, 4. X plus 4 is equal to 10. This is our question. Check x is equal to 2, 4 given equation. Now we will put the value of x. The x is over in left hand side, so left hand side is equal to x plus 4. Let x is equal to 2. The left hand side is equal to 2 plus 4. The answer of left hand side is 6. Left hand side is equal to right hand side, but left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so x is not equal to 2. X is equal to 2 is false. for x plus 4 is equal to 10. X is equal to 2 is false for x plus 4 is equal to 10. Putting the value in equation, question is check x is equal to 2 for x plus 4 is equal to 10. The x is in our left hand side, so we write down left hand side is equal to x plus 4. Now given is x is equal to 2, so we will put the value of x is 2. Then 2 plus 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. Left hand side says the answer is 6, right hand side says the answer is 10. 6 and 10 is not equal, so x is equal to 2 is false for x plus 4 is equal to 10. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our exercise. Now we are taking exercise 4.1, question number first. Say whether the equation is satisfied, yes or no. The equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and given value is x is equal to 3. Now left hand side is equal to x plus 3. Let x is equal to 3. Now putting the value in left hand side 3, then plus 3. The answer of left hand side is 3 plus 3 6, but in equation right hand side says the addition is 0, but addition we get 6. These values is not equal, so the value of x is wrong. No, x is equal to 3 is not satisfied the given equation. Now taking second, the equation is x plus 3 is equal to 0, value is x is equal to 0. Our left hand side is x plus 3. Let putting the value x is equal to 0. Now left hand side says x plus 3 means 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3. The left hand side says answer is 3, but in equation right hand side says the sum of these number is 0, but we get 3. These are not equal, so the value of x is wrong. No, x is equal to 0 is not satisfied the given equation. Now our third one is x plus 3 is equal to 0 and value of x is minus 3. Our left hand side says x plus 3 and question says the value of x is minus 3. So now left hand side putting the value of x minus 3 and then plus 3. The answer of left hand side is 3 minus 3 0 and right hand side is 0. So left hand side and right hand side is equal, so value is correct. Yes, x is equal to minus 3 is satisfied the given equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next questions. Now the next part of this question is part 4. The equation is x minus 7 is equal to 1 and value is x is equal to 7. First of all, let left hand side is x minus 7, putting the value given in question x is equal to 7. Now left hand side is equal to putting the value of x 7 minus 7. Now left hand side says 7 minus 7 is 0, but in question their right hand side says 1. The subtract operation, when we subtracting these numbers we get 1, but for x is equal to 7 we get 0. These are not equal, so value is not correct. This value is wrong. No, x is equal to 7 is not satisfied the given equation. Now next one, let left hand side is equal to x minus 7, putting the value of x is equal to 8, which is given in question. Now left hand side is x is equal to 8 minus 7. The left hand side answer is 1 and right hand side answer is 1. Both are same, so the value of x is right. Yes, x is equal to 8 is satisfied the given equation. Now next one is 5x is equal to 25 and value of x is 0. First of all, left hand side is equal to 5x, putting the value of x is 0, so left hand side is 5 into 0. 5 into x means 5 into 0. 5 into 0, when we multiply any number with 0, answer is 0. The left hand side answer is 0, but right hand side answer is 25. Both are not equal, so the value of x is wrong. No, x is equal to 0 is not satisfied the given equation. So x is equal to 0 is not satisfied the given equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now taking part 8. 5x is equal to 25, value is x equal to minus 5. Taking left hand side is 5x, putting the value of x given in question is minus 5. Now left hand side is 5 into x, the value of x is minus 5. 5 into x, 5 into minus 5. Now 5 into 5, this is over 25, but plus into minus is minus, plus multiply by plus, answer is plus. When plus multiply by minus, answer is minus. When minus multiply by plus, the answer is minus. When minus multiply by minus, then answer is plus. Plus into plus is plus, minus into minus is plus. The both are same, the answer is plus. If the sign is opposite, the answer is minus. So plus into minus is minus. Now 25, left hand side says minus 25 and right hand side is 25. Both are not equal, so the value of x is wrong. No, x is equal to minus 5 is not satisfied the given equation. Now taking question number 9. M upon 3 is equal to 2, value of m is minus 6. Taking left hand side is m upon 3. Let the value of m is minus 6, which is given in question. Now putting the value in left hand side, the m is minus 6, minus 6 upon 3. The answer of left hand side is minus 2 times minus 2. Left hand side says that this is minus 2, but right hand side is plus 2. These are not equal, so the value of m is wrong. No, m is equal to minus 6 is not satisfied the given equation. Now next one is question number 11. M upon 3 is equal to 2. Value of m is 6. Left hand side is m upon 3. Let value of m is 6. Putting the value of m in left hand side. Now 6 upon 3. The answer of left hand side is 2. Answer of right hand side is 2. Left hand side and right hand side are equal, so the value of m is right. Yes, m is equal to 6 is satisfied the given equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. What is the solution? If the given value will satisfy the equation. If the given value is satisfy the equation, means left hand side is equal to right hand side, then this called a solution of given equation. Let's try this. Part A, n plus 5 is equal to 19. Given value is n equal to 1. Let's take left hand side is equal to n plus 5. Given value n is equal to 1. Putting the value in left hand side is equal to 1 plus 5. The solution of left hand side is 6, but answer is 19. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. This is sign of equal and cross, not equal. This is sign of not equal. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So n is equal to 1 is not a solution of given equation. Now next one is taking left hand side 7n plus 5. Putting the value of n is 2, given in question. Now putting the value 7 multiply n, then plus 5. 7 into 2, 14. The answer of left hand side is 14 plus 5, 19. And in question right hand side is 19. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So n is equal to 2 is a solution of given equation. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then n is solution of given equation. Now taking next part, our left hand side is 4p minus 3. Given value is p equal to minus 4. Putting the value in left hand side is 4 multiply p, then minus 3. 4 into 4, 16, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus. Now minus 3. The solution of left hand side is minus 16 minus 3 minus 19. But in equation the solution is 13, so left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side, so p is equal to minus 4 is not a solution of given equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. What is trial and error method? Trial means we will put the value of variable. In this equation variable is p. We will put the value of p from ourselves. P is equal to 0, p is equal to 1, p is equal to 2 whenever the left hand side is equal to right hand side. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, then we get the solution. Now putting the value of p. Our equation is 5p plus 2. The value of let assume p is equal to 1. So left hand side is equal to 5 into 1 plus 2. Left hand side is equal to 5 plus 2. Answer is 7. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Left hand side says 7, right hand side says 17, so this value is wrong. Let assume the value of p is 2. P is 1 and then p is 2. Now putting the value of p. Left hand side is equal to 5p plus 2. 5 p, value of p is 2. 5 into 2, 10 plus 2, 12. The left hand side is 12, right hand side is 17, not equal. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Now let assume p is 1, p is 2, next is p is 3, p equal to 3. Our left hand side in question is 5p plus 2. Now putting the value of p is 3. So left hand side is equal to 5 into 3 then plus 2. Left hand side is equal to 5 into 3, 15 then plus 2. Answer is 17. 5 into 3, 15 then plus 2, 15 plus 2, 17. 17, 17. Yes, left hand side is equal to right hand side. So p is equal to 3 is a solution of given equation. Let's take beginning from this. Question number 3. Solve the following equation by trial and error method. In trial and error method, we will put the value of variable 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., etc. When left hand side is equal to right hand side, we get the solution. Equation is 5p plus 2 is 17. The left hand side is 5p plus 2. Let assume the value of p is 1. Now putting the value of p is 1. 5 into 1 then plus 2. 5 into 1 is 5 then plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 17 not equal, left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Let's take another value. Now p is 1, then p is 2. Let's assume the value of p is 2. The left hand side is 5p plus 2. Putting the value of p, 2, 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12, 17 not equal. P is equal to 1, p is equal to 2. Let assume p is equal to 3. Putting the value of p is 3, 5 into 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, 17, 17, yes, both are equal. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So p is equal to 3 is a solution of given equation. You can take a screenshot of this. In our next video we will take another question from this exercise. Thank you for watching this video.